waiting. 131 direction.
Here with the drop controller vehicle. High rate of speed, eastbound on Broadway. Speeds are 105, just past Ingram. It's a Chevy Impala, I believe. Looks like it's going to be drive-out tags, unreadable. Going to a cross. Taking it eastbound on Broadway, coming up to MLK. It stays on the interstate, fixing to come up to Ingram. Check, we're coming up to MLK, passing Station 3. Coming up to MLK. Continuing eastbound, going 55. We're going to be on Fabian's Head, 55 is shut down right there. Shut down right there. And we're continuing. Overtaking vehicle. Back off, continue. Continuing 55, one direct out. Car passing, bunching in, 102. Disregard the pursuit. Thanks for working their way up to them. Yep. Thank you for going under the 55 overpass.
Stand by.
I'm going to be at 208. You're ready on 203 South 8 with the
Stand by.
passenger he pushed out. I'm no longer pursuit. Going on the service road, parallel to 55, going southbound. Correction, going westbound, headed back toward the city. Coming up to MLK on the service road. Could we use South 8? Do you need EMS for the victim? I mean, hey, the unit that is behind me, the one at the brake lights in front of me is coming up to MLK. I lost sight.
It's about MLK. We'll be trying to get out with it. Stand by. It's going to be MLK, southbound.
No, he's now going north on MLK. State police in that pursuit. They're trying to catch up to it. Chevy Malibu. He was driving and he pushed her out of the driver's side. What's her? For state police. They're going to be pursuing. I'm secondary. 231. I'm going to be in this pursuit as well with state police. 73. What's your location? In the fifth zone. Out the radio. Yeah, the radio.
Yeah, that's your 281.
281 eastbound on I-40. I'm going to be 1037. It's going to be a Chevy Impala. It's currently blacked out. We're coming up with 282.
On the interstate? For eastbound on 40. Coming up to 282.
TBI.
I'm on the seat.
Just past the curve, slow down.
The K9's don't be on the ground. K9's gonna be on the ground. I'm on the seat. Here, about the 285. 285.
I have West Memphis with me. Show me your hands! Show me your hands!
Running on foot.
10-4 running on foot. 12:40.
Brother, better stop. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Hey, you better get shot, motherfucker. Get down. Get down. Hey. Get on the fucking ground. You move. You're gonna get fucked up. I don't give a fuck. You do not move. Do you understand me? Yes, sir. Hey, on it. Yeah. Back it up. Back it up. Put your fucking hands behind your back right now. Put my hands back. Please don't let this dog bite me. Put your hands behind your back. Dude, he said, we got one. He's about to see dog bit. Please don't let it bite me. Put your hands behind your back. Kill him. Roll over on your fucking stomach. I will. No, you're gonna. No. You're about to get fucking dog bit. Roll over on your stomach. Now.
Border City, day 23.
Sim. Put your hands behind your back. Don't take this woman at times too.
10-4.
You good, bro? Two. We are in the sea.
10-4, 10-15. Taser corner. Report's been contacted.
Simple. What about your shoes? Yeah, he. Did the car bell out too? He was the driver. Oh, that's what I thought. I just double checked. City. Started at 10:11. Interstate's completely shut down at the moment. Slide him over here. This one. Hold tight. You got anything on you? No. No? What's up? What's your name? Huh? DeJuan? Yes, sir. What's your last name, DeJuan? Head. Head? Yes, sir. Can I put my pants up? That's all right, ain't y'all? I'm sorry for all the... I know you're sorry. Man, what'd you run for? I don't know. Thought he was gonna get drunk or what? Nah. No. Huh? I'm a smoke weed. ass a bitch. Like,
Step out.
I'm sorry for all the accidents too.
Alright, don't move.
Forest City, D23.
Good.
We'll be here till 11.
Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. Put these above them.
Nah, you good, you ain't gotta do that. I'm just trying to pull them.
Put these above them.
I'm not trying to run no more, y'all get me. Ooh, hold on, nah.
Hold on. Hold on. I'm removing the ones underneath it.
Right. Ah, hold on, nah.
Oh, don't rotate. Keep them still. Alright, it's better, huh?
Well, you put the left one a little bit. I'm sorry for all the accidents too, y'all. Well, look, no homo, I know you ain't getting none of that. I'm giving you, what you call it? I'm giving you, like when you trying to get somebody something to do, but permission to.
What you want to do?
Pull my pants up, just zip them up. That's all. Would not pull them up, but zip them up. Button them up.
You ain't got a button.
Damn. Well, you can zip them up for me. Nah, you ain't. Well, yeah.
Bro, what is all this?
My bad. This an outfit.
Alright.
No, don't rip them around. Nah. Look, you can put that right here. It's a clamp.
Go over the top?
Nah, right here. Like you clamp onto my pants. Look, tell them. Like what I'm saying. Like,
What the hell is this shit?
yeah.
Dogwood?
Nah, this is for my pants.
Okay.
Look, like clamp it on.
Bro.
No, it ain't. Look. Like
Alright,
the little part right there. Thanks.
What's your name, man?
The one.
DARJUAN?
Yeah, I'm trying to see what y'all stopped me for.
DARJUAN what? You didn't stop. You didn't
No
stop.
shit.
You didn't stop. What's your last name, DARJUAN?
Yeah.
Head. You out of Arkansas?
Huh?
Are you out of Arkansas? Did you have an ID out of Arkansas? Driver's license, Tennessee, what?
Tennessee.
Date of birth?
The 2001, May the 14th.
DARJUAN Head. DARJUAN Head. You say May 14th of 01?
May the 14th, 2001.
May 14th.
DARJUAN, how you spell that? D-A-R-J-U-A-N.
And Head, H-E-A-D?
Yes, sir.
Alright, have a seat in there for me. Hey man,
Sir.
you know about that firearm in that car?
No, sir.
Okay. He got a, discuss these up. He got a problem in the car with a auto shift. Oh yeah! A housemate key. We'll have that, and then I think we're gonna have ag assault probably.
Yeah. Positive that he jumped out of the driver's seat?
No way that door still.
No, he jumped out of this side.
I was going to say, because when I got here, this door was open, but that was too.
Yeah, they were both open.
I was going
Let me check video.
D23.
Yeah, I see it.